especially 4 to 36 hours. And the reason for that is two fronts. One is currently just to the north of Scotland, pushing southwards. Another one is over southern Britain at the moment, gradually pushing westwards and also northwards. Those two fronts get closer together during the course of tomorrow, and then on Friday they develop an area of low pressure over southern Ireland with some quite strong winds wrapped around them, as well as some spells of quite wet weather. On Saturday the low pushes a little bit further northwards, still some very windy and wet weather around it, but quite warm air coming up over much of the country. Now today we've seen the first band to the north of Scotland pushing its way slowly southwards, some outbreaks of rain on it, and the other band of rain over southern Britain with some quite heavy showers still over much of southwest England and parts of Wales at the moment, still the odd thunderstorm around. Those will still be around during this evening, but many other places dry. But then we see that band of rain starting to push its way southwards over much of Scotland by the end of the night. In fact, it's going to become quite windy there, as well as some quite heavy spells of rain. Elsewhere through much of England and Wales, it's going to be cloudy, but quite dry, but quite misty by the end of the night. And temperatures at the lowest in the north, in that wet weather, around 4 degrees, but further south it's going to be distinctly muggy in southern England with temperatures around 10 degrees. Tomorrow, much of Scotland starts off cloudy with some outbreaks of rain, really some of it quite heavy, and it moves southwards into parts of southern Scotland and Northern Ireland, where it will be distinctly showery and very different from today. But much of England and Wales will be dry, although rather cloudy start with some brightness coming along. But then we'll see some showers developing over southwest England and Wales later on in the day, some quite heavy showers with the odd thunderstorm around. As far as temperatures go, well, it's going to be cooler in most places than it was today, although South Wales and southwestern England are probably going to be warmer, with temperatures as high as 17 degrees. As far as the winds go, very strong winds over much of Scotland, a strong blustering northeast wind, but light and variable further south. On Friday, it's still rather cloudy over Northern Ireland and much of Scotland with some outbreaks of rain, a mixture of sunshine and showers further south, and then on Saturday we can expect much cooler from the north during the next day or so. But today we saw temperatures into the low 20s in many places. Stansted, one of the warmest places. Newcastle, though, just seeing temperatures of 8 degrees.